Many of us are familiar with general encyclopedias such as the Encyclopedia Britannica or Wikipedia. But there are other, more specialized encyclopedias that are focused on specific subjects. Why are these subject encyclopedias important? It turns out these are one of the most useful kinds of information resources the library can offer. Let's talk about some situations where a subject encyclopedia is exactly the right resource to use. Suppose you are taking a philosophy or literature class and the concept of existentialism is introduced. The concept is new to you and you aren't sure you really understand it. So you want something more than a dictionary definition, but shorter than a book. You could turn to the Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy. This online encyclopedia is written by hundreds of academics and edited by a board of philosophers at Stanford University. After searching for existentialism, the results show the main article at the top. At the bottom, you can see the author's affiliation, in this case, Rice University. Since you know that, you could look at the author's biography or other works. That kind of information isn't possible on Wikipedia. The article spells out what existentialism means and how the concept evolved. There's a bibliography at the end of important works if you want to pursue the topic further. So when would you want to use a subject encyclopedia? When the topic or discipline is new to you, a subject encyclopedia can give you an expert summary of the work in that area. Or perhaps there are disputes in a field. When you want to get an expert's view of these different points of view, a subject encyclopedia is a great resource. Sometimes you want to be quickly reviewing the state of a field of research or just review a topic that was covered in a lecture or presentation. A subject encyclopedia is a good way to test that you understand the basic outline of a field or topic. Finally, you sometimes might be just looking especially for the pioneers of a field of research and need a list of important articles or papers published in that field. Again, the subject encyclopedia will be a great resource for you. So how do you go about finding a subject encyclopedia? The most straightforward way is to go to Franklin, the library catalog. Use the pull-down menu to choose subject heading keyword searching and type some relevant keywords such as anthropology, encyclopedias. You can read through that list and choose the ones that seem most appropriate to fit your research needs. Whenever you are doing research, please feel free to consult with a librarian in person, via email, or our chat service.